Hi students, hope you are all fine. Today we learn about relations. See the third question. A relation capital R is given by the set x comma y such that y is equal to x plus 3, x belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Determine its domain and range. Solution. First write the given relation. Given the relation is capital R is equal to x comma y such that you have a formula y is equal to x plus 3. And x belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can write all this in the same set also. Okay, given capital R, that is relation is x comma y such that y is equal to x plus 3, x belongs to 0 to 5. You have a formula y is equal to x plus 3, y is equal to x plus 3. First, substitute the value for x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to, in the place of x, you substitute 0, 0 plus 3, that is 3. Then substitute 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 plus 3, that is equal to 4. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 plus 3, that is equal to 5. When x is equal to 3, y is equal to 3 plus 3, that is equal to 6. When x is equal to 4, y is equal to 4 plus 3, that is equal to 7. When x is equal to 5, y is equal to 5 plus 3, that is equal to 8. That's all. Now write the relation. Therefore, capital R is equal to x comma y. That is 0 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 3 comma 6, 4 comma 7, 5 comma 8. Relations are 0 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 3 comma 6, 4 comma 7 and 5 comma 8. Now you find the domain and range. Domain of R is equal to, already I told you what are the elements present in the first place. First element in each ordered pair. First element 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then range of R. Can you say the answer? Yes, correct. What are the elements which are present in the second place? All the elements in the second place. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now do the fourth question. Represent each of the given relations by arrow diagram, a graph, as set in roster form wherever possible. First question, xy such that you have a formula x is equal to y, x belongs to 2, 3, 4, 5, y belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4. Second question, y is equal to x plus 3, x and y are natural numbers less than 10. Natural numbers means starts from 1, less than 10 means up to 9. First question, relation capital R is equal to x comma y, x is equal to 2y, x belongs to 2, 3, 4, 5, y belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4. Given x belongs to 2, 3, 4, 5, y belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4. Ordered per x comma y. First write the x element, then write the y element. Your formula is in x. X is equal to 2y. Now change the formula into y. Y is equal to x by 2. Y divided by 2, 2 into y. If you change the 2 into the left side, that changed by x divided by 2. Y is equal to x divided by 2. That is the formula. Now start. X is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2 by 2. In the place of x, substitute 2. 2 divided by 2, that is 1, 2 is 2. 1, 2 is 2, that is 1. Next, when x is equal to 3, y is equal to 3 by 2. 3 by 2. You can't divide. 1, 2 is 2, remainder 1. Hereafter, if you are ready to continue, put the decimal here, put the 0 here. 5 2s are 10. That is 1.5. Now when x is equal to 4, capital Y is equal to 4 by 2. 1, 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, that is 2. When x is equal to 5, here also you can't divide immediately. 5 divided by 2, 2 2s are 4, remainder 1. Hereafter to continue, put the decimal and put the 0 here. 5 2s are 10. That is 2.5. Now write the relation. Relation capital R is equal to, see, the elements 2, 3, 4, 5 belongs to x, that is correct. The elements 1 is belongs to y, okay. 2 is belongs to y, okay. But 1.5 and 2.5 is not present. Therefore, the relation are 2, 1 and 4, 2. 2, 1 and 4, 2. Your questions are, you must draw an arrow diagram, graph, and you must write in roster form. A. An arrow diagram. For that, first write the set x and y. Small x and small y. In the first set, you have the elements 2, 3, 4, 5. In the y set, you have the elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Now see the relation. In the relation, first you have the element 2, 1. Draw the line from 2 to 1. This is the relation. Next, see the element 4, 2. From 4 to 2. That's all. This is an arrow diagram. You can't draw 3 from 3 by 2, that is 1.5. 5 from 5 by 2, that is 2.5. Now draw the graph. See, using the scale and pencil, draw neatly. Draw the straight line. This is x-axis, x dash. Here y dash. Center, that is intersect position, is 0. Then leave the space between each and every number. Same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up to 5 enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the first point is 2, 1. First take the 2 from the x-axis, 1 from the y-axis. That is, this is the point. Already you know to plot the points in the graph sheet. Let us imagine this is a graph sheet. This is the first square box. This is the second square box. First number, that is 2. 2, 1, 2, 1. Mark the point here. 2, 1. Next point, that is 4, 2. See here, 4. If you have a doubt, using the scale, you keep here like this. 4. Then, 2. Okay. 2. Once again, from 4, from the x-axis 4, from the y-axis 2, then mark the point 4, 2. That's all. Then third one, that is roster form. A set in roster form. Already finished. That is, capital R is equal to, inside the set, write 2, 1 and 4, 2. That's all. Now do the second part. X, y. All the values from x and y belongs to natural numbers less than 10. What is the meaning for natural numbers? It starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, less than 10. Therefore, up to 9. The elements belongs to x and y are 1 to 9. X belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Y belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Your relation is in the builder form is this. You have a formula y is equal to x plus 3. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 plus 3, that is equal to 4. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 plus 3, that is equal to 5. When x is equal to 3, y is equal to 3 plus 3, that is 6. When x is equal to 4, y is equal to 4 plus 3, that is equal to 7. When x is equal to 5, y is equal to 5 plus 3, 8. When x is equal to 6, y is equal to 6 plus 3, 9. Hereafter you can't do. Why? When x is equal to 7, 7 plus 3, 10. Y belongs to up to 9. Therefore, your relation is relation is equal to, relation capital R is equal to 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6, 4, 7, 5, 8 and 6, 9. Listen, hereafter you must draw an arrow diagram, graph and roster form. For this question, for you, homework, draw an arrow diagram, graph and roster form. See the fifth question. A company has 4 categories of employees given by assistants, clerks, managers and an executive officer. The company provide rupees 10,000, 25,000, 50,000 and 1 lakh as salaries to the people who work in the categories A, C, M and capital E respectively. If A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5 were assistants, C1, C2, C3 and C4 were clerks, M1, M2, M3 were managers and E1 and E2 were executive officers. And if the relation capital R is defined by X capital R Y, where small x is the salary given to person Y. Express the relation capital R through an ordered pair and an arrow diagram. You must find the ordered pair and an arrow diagram. Solution. A company has 4 categories of employees. Assistants denoted by capital A, 5 assistants, therefore A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Clerks denoted by capital C, 4 clerks, therefore C1, C2, C3, C4. Managers 3, M1, M2, M3. Executive officers 2, E1 and E2. They are given small x capital R Y is defined as small x is the salary of, small x is the salary for assistants is rupees 10,000, clerks is rupees 25,000, manager $50,000 and for executive officer rupees 1 lakh. First write the relation R. Relation R. Capital R is equal to X for salaries for assistants, clerks, managers. Assistants 10,000, A1 10,000, A2 10,000, A3 10,000, A4 10,000, A5. Then the salary 25,000 for clerks. 25,000 clerk is denoted as C1, C2, C3, C4. Therefore 25,000 C2, 25,000 C3, 25,000 C4. Then 50,000 for manager. How many managers? 3. Therefore 50,000 M1, 50,000 M2, 50,000 M3. Then executive officer that is 1 lakh. 1 lakh for 2 executive officer E1 and E2. These are the relations. Now draw the arrow diagram. An arrow diagram. Arrow diagram. First write 10,000, 25,000, 50,000, 1 lakh. Then this is a set small x, small y, relation is capital R. Start from the assistants A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Then for clerk C1, C2, C3, C4. Then manager M1, M2, M3, executive officer E1, E2. For 10,000 for assistants. You must put the arrow mark also. Then 25,000 for clerks. 50,000 for manager. 1 lakh for executive officers. That's all.